Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Python is operator checks if two variables refer to the exact same object in computer memory. So when I write a equal to 1000, b equal to 1000, if we use a is b, we'll get false because a and b refers different object in computer memory. Okay, let's take another example. I'll take x equal to 10, y equal to 10 and I'll use x is y. True. Let's take few more examples. We'll get true. We'll get false. For some values, we'll get the output as true and for others, we'll get false. Why? This is because of integer interning. Integer interning in Python refers to the practice of reusing integer object for small integer values, typically in the range of -5 to 256, to optimize the memory usage and improve performance. When we assign a value which is in the range of -5 to 256, Python will use the same object for the every occurrence of that integer. That is, in the diagram here you can see, if I take the value as 10, Python won't create a new object. It will refer the same object for every occurrence of that integer. Here we can see x equal to 10, y equal to 10, I equal to 10, k equal to 10, f equal to 10. Okay, it is for -5 to 256. The value is present in that range. Here you can see few examples for 256 and -5. Alright, for 257 and -6, here you can see. And for large integers outside this range are not automatically interned and will be created as separate objects. So when we take a equal to 1000, b equal to 1000, Python creates separate objects like this. That's why when we write a is b, we'll get output as false. That's it for now guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will meet you in next class. Till then, take care.